Hello, it's Angeline here. Today I'd like to share with you on how to make an easy Aurora sky using the Nuvo Shimmer Powders. So first, I've already stamped and watercolored this cute caravan from the Good Vibes set from Unity Stamp. And I'm grabbing my new Nuvo Shimmer Powders here in Catherine Wheel and Atlantis Burst. These powders are so pigmented, a little goes a long way. So what I do here is to spritz my watercolor cardstock with some water first and then spritzing the powder onto my card, and you can see how it reacts with water. So to get the colors moving and blending a little bit more, I am spritzing more water onto the pigment powders to get it to blend better. What I like about these powders are they are metallic and has a really nice shimmer in it, and you could mix as much color as you want or as little. Once you're done, just dry it up with a heat gun or just let it dry naturally. So here it is, it's all done and it's all so shimmery. So here is my finished card. I hope you like this really quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, bye!